Hey Stoney Ridgers, this is Josh, Stoney Ridge Farmer. Welcome to the farm vlog today. If you didn't catch the video the other day, right up here it is. We went and picked up a bunch of tractors. We got a big deal on a bunch of tractors. Some of them ran, some of them didn't run, but today I'm going to take you all around and show you the tractors. We have 4 tractors. We have a John Deere 310 backhoe. We have a Ford Model 1720, which is a 27 horsepower tractor. We have a John Deere 750, which is a 20 horsepower tractor. We have a 52 Willys Jeep with a flathead 4-cylinder, and we have a 1952 Farmall Super A tractor. We're going to take you around, we'll show you all these cool tractors, and every one of them is for sale except for the backhoe. I bought all these tractors and they all needed a little something. So we're going to service them, we're going to make sure they're running right, we're going to make sure everything's good on these tractors, and we're going to sell them. So down in the video description below, I'll detail what the tractor is and if it's for sale. And if it's sold, I'll put in parentheses, sold. And my email address will be down there as well. So if you want to pick up one of these tractors, let me know, because they're all good tractors. They all didn't run when I got them, but they all run now, and we're going to get them in the garage, and we'll show you over the next few videos servicing these tractors and just give you a little detail. So let's walk around and talk about them, and I'll show you what we got. All right? The Willys is really cool.
I've been running around this farm just chasing them chickens that are running along, yeah. I've been running around this farm just chasing them chickens that are running along, yeah. 'Cause we got goats, we got pigs, and we got chickens. Goats, pigs, and chickens. Goats, pigs, and chickens. Woo.
All right, walking around these tractors, this is a Ford 1720 or New Holland Ford 1720. This has a 3-cylinder diesel engine. It's a 27 horsepower. It had a clogged fuel filter and needed a battery. I put a battery in it. Everything works great on it. It has about 1,100 hours on it, and it just runs great. It's a cool little tractor. We still got to service it. We got to go through, clean it up, service it, pressure wash. All these have to be washed and cleaned. This is the Willys Jeep. The Willys Jeep is for sale. The cost on the Willys Jeep is going to be $3,000. The cost on the 1720, we're going to ask $4,000 for it. Moving right along, this is a John Deere 750, and you can see it just sat so long that moss started growing on it. That's just part of living here in North Carolina, I guess, in the foothills of the Blue Ridge. You just get a little bit of moss on stuff or mildew on stuff when it sits. So we've got to pressure wash this guy off, do a full service on it. This has really, really low hours. So it has 565 hours on this tractor. This tractor will also be for sale. This will be asking $5,500 for the tractor and the county line bush hog. Now, I don't know a lot about the bush hog, but it'll go with the tractor. Cool little tractor, and we're going to replace the seat. Basically, we're going to go through all these tractors, and any little things that need to be handled, we're going to take care of them so that when you get it, it'll be top notch. Now moving onward and upward, we've got the John Deere 310 backhoe. It's got a 4-cylinder John Deere engine in it. It's a 74 horsepower machine. It has a lot of fluids in it. So I went and got all the materials that I'll need to service all these vehicles. Right here in the back of the van, the Stoney Ridge farm van, is all the stuff that I need to service. Look at all that high guard hydraulic fluid. That cost a pretty penny. So this backhoe is a 75 horsepower machine. It has 2,200 hours, and it just sat. It's just dirty. The seat is roached out, so we've got to figure out a new seat for it, but everything works just as it should. Got a few little nuances that need some work. This stack right here is a little bit loose. I'm sure there's just a few things that need to be tightened up, and maybe some hydraulic lines that might need to be replaced due to it sitting. Now for the star of the show, this is a 52 Farmall Super A, and this tractor here is also for sale. This is my dad's tractor. I didn't buy this tractor. It has a starter on it. It's a 6-volt system. It's been sitting in my dad's basement for somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 to 30 years. And basically my dad was cleaning house and said, look, we need to get rid of this tractor, so get it out there on the internet and get it sold. So we'll be asking $2,500 for this tractor. And the only issue with it really is just it needs to be used. The gears in the steering box need to be looked at, but it turns freely. It's got the old hand crank on here, so you just turn that dude over right there, pretty cool. Guys, let me tell you, I would love to keep this tractor on the farm, but I just don't have anywhere to put it to keep it out of the weather. This would make a super duper awesome restoration project for somebody. I'll get it up and running. 3,000 bucks is what we're going to get for it. I'll get it up and running, and if you guys are interested in any of these tractors, let me know. The backhoe stays on the farm. So folks, if you're interested in any of this equipment, I'll post some information down in the video description, and if they're still available, they'll still be down there, and if they're sold, it'll say sold right beside of it. I'll post the prices, I'll post the hours, I'll post everything you need to know, and I'll post an email address to contact me. If they're still available, you can get on. And before you ask the location where we are, we're in Stoneville, North Carolina, so get on your Google and figure that out. You can haul any of these tractors with just a standard car trailer or any kind of little flatbed trailer, so fairly lightweight little tractors. So folks, I'm on YouTube to show you stuff, to teach you stuff, to entertain you, and I'm not here to sell you stuff. So we probably won't mention this a whole lot more, but we will take you through each tractor and the work that we're going to do on the tractors, and hopefully get them running, hopefully get this Jeep running. I got a new battery for it, and we'll have some fun together. So thanks a lot, guys. Pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell down there. It'll notify you when I post a new video about this. Got lots of videos coming, lots of fun stuff, lots of projects, lots of truck projects, car projects, tractor projects, all kinds of fun stuff. We're going to take that tractor and we're going to build ourselves an old-time spring house. We're going to build a larder, a place where we can keep vegetables and food cold in case we get in a situation where we have to live like that. So it's going to be fun. Thanks a lot, guys. Pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell down there, and we'll see you next time on Stoney Ridge Farmer. All right? Woo!
Well, come on down to the Stoney Ridge, bring your wife.